Hello students, this is a video I am creating for class 12 for series creation. I have already created the first video for Python pandas, that was introductory. Now this is the second video for the Python panda. In this video I will explain how different methods of creating series. So now see what are the different methods that are being used for creating the series. So here it is the first method, creating empty series object. So first of all we are starting with creating empty series. So for creating empty series we have to import pandas, as we are learning pandas. So pandas library must be imported in this way using the variable name PD or any other name you can use here. So import panda as PD, then using the pd.series function you can create the empty series because no argument is given here. So it OB1 will store the empty series. When OB1 is being printed, you will get this type of symbol that displays the empty series. That is the representation of empty series. So this is the way you can create the empty series. Next is creating non-empty series, means a series containing data. So now see how you can create series containing data. So same here, you have to import panda as PD, then any variable you have to take where you can store the series. So I have used OB2 for storing the series. Now this command will create the series using the list. You know, the list is written inside the big bracket. So here it is written with the separating with the comma. So pd.series, series is a function which is used to convert the list into the series. So pd.series function containing the argument as a list, and then it will convert it into the series, and that will store in the OB2. So OB2 will hold the series containing these data, and when OB2 is being printed you can get this type of output. So this is the series containing the data that is the same. This is 21, 23, 18, 25, and this also displays the index automatically. By default it contains the index from starting from the 0. So this is the series which you can create using the list argument, list as an argument. Next method of creating series is specifying data as ND array. In previous method we had learned how the series can be created with the list. Now with the help of array we have to create the series. So for creating array we have to also import NumPy, and for creating series we have to import pandas. So first of all we will create the array with these tuples. So arrange function will create the array, and that will be stored in the AR, and when you print AR you will get the array. So here it is, array is being displayed, which is created by these commands: import NumPy, import panda, then np.arrange. np is the variable name of NumPy. So NumPy is used to create the array. So with the help of arrange, 3, 13, 3 means it will start to create the array from 3 to 13. तो रेंज में जो भी नंबर होता है उसमें एक माइनस होता है, तो 13 तो नहीं, 3 to 12 it will create, and it will create of gap between gap of the 3 or 3 number difference, or 3 step you can say. So after 3 it will create 6, the gap of 3 9, then gap of 3 13. 3 step it will move forward. So this is the number 3 is for moving the number 3 step forward. So when print AR you can be used, you can print the array. So once array is created, then we will create the series. So here array, using the array variable, series can be created and being stored in the SE variable. And when you print this series variable, you will get the series. So here the same number is 3, 6, 9, 12, but whatever the array number is, and in series automatically you will get the indexing starting from the 0, right? So this is the another way of creating the series using the array. Next is series specifying data as dictionary, means now we have to create the series using the dictionary. So here panda is imported only, and then using the dictionary we can create the series using the series function, and then it is stored in the OB2. So series function, under the series function, dictionary is taken as an argument. You know, the dictionary is a data type which contains key and value. Key colon value is separated by comma. So it comes in a pair of key and value. So here it is key and value, and then it will be stored, the series will be stored in the OB2, and OB2 is being printed. So you will get this series of dictionary created with the help of dictionary. So here the index, in place of index, key value will come, and in place of data, the value of the dictionary will come. So here it is series created with the help of dictionary. Here it is created with the array, and previously it was the using the list was used. So using the different data, we are discussing how the series can be created. So now move to the next. Here we are using the scalar value as a data. We are creating series specifying data as a scalar value. Scalar value means सिंगल वैल्यू यूज़ करेंगे हम लोग, सिंगल वैल्यू यूज़ करके सीरीज़ को क्रिएट करेंगे. So first of all we import the panda as PD, and then with the series function we are creating a series of the scalar value. Scalar value here the 10 is using the 10 we can create the series. इंडेक्स रेंज फ्रॉम 0 to 1, तो उसका इंडेक्सिंग क्या होगा 0 से 1. तो जब भी रेंज होगा तो एक नंबर माइनस होगा. तो 0 से 1 का मतलब हो गया वो सिर्फ 0 वाला इंडेक्स कोई क्रिएट करेगा, 1 का नहीं करेगा, क्योंकि रेंज इज लेस देन 1. सो इट विल क्रिएट ओनली one item of the series containing 0 index and value 10. But same thing is here, only the difference is the range. Here the range is 0 to 1, but here I have changed 0 to 3, and the same value is there. So here we are creating using the scalar value between range 0 to 3. So it will create 0 to 2, 1 less. So 0 to 2, and scalar value, due to scalar value all the values are same. 10 है तो वो सारे में 10 ही आएगा. If the scalar value is 15, it will give you only the 15. So here it is range is 1 to 6, and step 2 means it will jump 2 step. 1 के बाद 3 आएगा, 3 के बाद 5 आएगा. इस तरह इंडेक्सिंग फॉरवर्ड होगा 2 स्टेप्स. अगर स्टेप्स नहीं दिए रहते तो वो कंटिन्यू फॉरवर्ड होता है. 1 के बाद नेक्स्ट, 0 के बाद 1, 2, 3, इस तरह से फॉरवर्ड होता है. अगर यहाँ पे कोई भी स्टेप्स दिया रहेगा नंबर, तीसरा नंबर, तो वो उतना नंबर जंप करेगा. 2 रहेगा तो 2 नंबर का जंप, 1 के बाद 2 का छोड़कर सेकेंड वैल्यू को प्रिंट करेगा, 3 के बाद सेकेंड वैल्यू 5. सो इन दिस वे इट विल प्रिंट द इंडेक्स एंड along with the value whatever the scalar value is given. Here it is given 15, so 15 is being printed. So in this way we can create the series using the scalar value, which now creating series by specifying adding nan value. Nan value is commonly used where वी हैव अ मिसिंग वैल्यू, अगर कोई वैल्यू नहीं है तो उसके जगह पे आप नैन वैल्यू दे सकते हैं। नैन वैल्यू, नैन का मतलब होता है नॉट अ नंबर, दिस इज इक्विवेलेंट टू द एम्प्टी। तो अगर इफ यू हैव अ मिसिंग वैल्यू, then in place of missing value you can use the nan value. So here both pandas and numpy both are being important because both are required. तो np जब भी nan को यूज़ करेंगे तो वो numpy से ही यूज़ करेंगे। तो numpy np डॉट nan इज़ देयर। यहाँ लिस्ट का लिस्ट यूज़ कर रहे हैं हम लोग। लिस्ट, using the list we are creating the series, so all the numbers are given in the separated by the comma, whole number and decimal number, nan value, all are given, and with the help of series command we are converting this list into the series, and it is being stored in the SE, and when you print the SE it will display the series. So here it is the series, uh, but once you have any decimal number, all will be displayed as a decimal number. So you can see here, and nan value is there. So whenever you will get the number or value, it can be replaced or modified with the uh, given value. So in this way we can use the nan value also while creating the series. Creating series by specifying index as well as data. So now we have the option to create the series where our index will be also our choice. In last method, we had only choice of the data, whatever data we have that can be used, but now we have the choice of the index also. Whatever index we want, that will be here in as a series index. So now we are importing Panda as PD for creating the series. Then one list is created for the index and one list is created for the data value, and both using the series function, both index, using the index term, index variable is being used, and we using the data term, data value, data variable is being used, L2 containing the data. So data equals to L2, that contains the data, and index equals to L1 containing the index. So that will convert the this list, index and data in a series, and that will be stored in a SE. When you print SE, you will get this type of series containing the index of ABCD, whatever index is given here, and the value, right? And same thing you can do with this single command. In replacement of these two command or three command, we can use the single command. So it is the merging of all the three command into one. तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो कि pd dot series inside the bracket data equals to data value is written, comma index equals to index value is written. Here you can see data equals to data value and index equals to index value. So using the single line, you can merge all the three lines as a one line. Only you have to write import data as PD and then this line only. So this two line can be used for creating this series, right? Next is creating series by specifying data types along with the data. तो नाउ वी हैव वन मोर ऑप्शन, इंडेक्स और डेटा के अलावा भी हम लोग डेटा टाइप्स भी इसमें ऐड कर सकते हैं. सो वी आर इंपोर्टिंग पांडा एंड नमपाई, देन वन लिस्ट फॉर डेटा, वन लिस्ट फॉर इंडेक्स, and they are being arranged as index as L2 and L1 as a data types. And data types you can write here whatever data type you want. So here the integer value is there, but we want to display as a decimal number. So here data type equals to d type equals to np dot float 64 you have to write. That should be mentioned so that your data can be displayed as a float value, not as a integer value. And once it is created and stored in this variable, that when that variable is being printed, you will get this type of series which have the value as a float number, right? Now next, series, creating series using mathematical functions और एक्सप्रेशन. मैथमेटिकल फंक्शन भी हम लोग यूज़ कर सकते हैं while creating the series. So importing pandas and numpy, then we have to create an array from 9 to 13. So it will create 9 to 12, one less value. So print A is being storing the array. So when you print the array A, you will get 9 to 12 series array as 9 to 12, and then this array is being used to create the series. So index A is used to store the array, so index will be also the array. आप देख सकते हैं जो array है वही index हो जाएगा. तो index equals to A and data equals to A into 2. तो डेटा का वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगा, उसका डबल. जो भी इंडेक्स वैल्यू है जो यहाँ पे है वही इंडेक्स वैल्यू हो जाएगा, और उसका डेटा जो होगा डबल होगा, बिकॉज इट इज़ मल्टीप्लाइड बाई द 2. A is using to store the array, and here array is multiplied by 2. So what topic is there? Using the mathematical function. So here we are using the mathematical function or multiplying the array by 2, and then we are creating the series. So index equals to A, that will give you the index of array, whatever array is here, and then data A into 2, that will display the data value multiplying the array by 2. So 9 is multiplied by 2, here it is 18, 10 is 20, 11 is 22, and 12 is 24. So in this way you can get it. Multiply it, you can add, you can subtract, you can divide, whatever operation you want to do here, that can be done. I have given one example of multiplication. The same thing is being here. Here we are using data as an square. Whatever array is here, that will be squared there in the series. So same panda and numpy you have to import, and then write this command pd.series data A double star. Double star is a symbol of square. So it will become the square of the value of whatever value A is being stored, that will become a square. So here the A is storing this value 9, 10, 11, 12. So it will 9 का स्क्वायर 81 होगा, 10 का 100, 11 का 121, 12 का 144. So in this way you can square it. So this type of mathematical function you can use while creating the series. So I think these are the different methods which we use to create the series. Thank you very much.